Thanks Audible for sponsoring this video. Hey girl, hey, welcome back everybody. I don't know how to act with these nails. I just got my nails done for the first time in literally like 4 to 5 months. This is insane. Today we are adding too much into slime. I haven't done one of these in a while and you guys seem to love these videos. So today I gathered some slime supplies and we're gonna add a bunch of it into slime as much as we can, as much as the slime could hold. But before we get into this video, let's get into today's sponsor. Thank you Audible for sponsoring this video. If you guys haven't watched me before, you have heard of Audible quite a few times. Audible is the leader of digital spoken audio. They have all types of genres, you know, there's news, there's comedy, there's podcasts. So any type of spoken word entertainment that you can think of is on Audible. So last time we touched base on Audible, we were talking about Audible Originals, which is original content on Audible. But now they have something that's actually free for all of us throughout the entire duration of quarantine. So when you go to stories.audible.com, you will access many titles for free that typically would not be free. There is no strings attached, completely anonymous, so have fun and take advantage of the free titles. I feel like in the beginning of quarantine, all I was doing was just watching TV, and that kind of got exhausting after a little bit. Like now I actually want to be productive, but I also want to be entertained. So it's like the perfect blend, you know? Like I'm actually getting stuff done and also listening. I do want to recommend an audiobook to you guys because Alex is listening to this and she literally tells me every single day about this audiobook. So Outlander is actually a show that you can watch on TV, but Alex has been listening to it a lot on Audible.
I'm actually currently comparing and contrasting how they tell the story in the book versus on the show.
That's
so I'm
funny.
going back and forth like a total nerd.
We love her. Outlander, I need to get on it. There's also another feature that I am way too excited about and I just found out. I am like, oh, I need to use this tonight. It is Audible Sleep. So Audible Sleep is calming and soothing audio experiences and I cannot wait to use this tonight, okay? Audible girl. They specifically mentioned this. You can drift off to Nick Jonas. Sold. So go to audible.com/Karina Garcia. That is audible.com/Karina Garcia, or text Karina Garcia to 500 500. That is text Karina Garcia to 500 500. And without further ado, let's add too much into slime. So I have my clear slime in front of me. If you have never watched one of these adding too much into slime videos, it's basically where you add too much of a certain ingredient or an add-in into slime and see how much it could hold. I'm gonna go in with these, and these are actually unicorn confetti slices. Oh my gosh, this is like jumping. Look how beautiful that looks. I think it could take more. Let's just go crazy. We're gonna have Mr. Squishy Bunny come through and play with it because he has no nails. I was gonna say no fingers.
What? Like inside my nail, you see it?
Ow! That's it, that's all this takes. It's starting to hurt a little bit, not gonna lie, but can I just say that this is gorgeous and that it makes amazing sounds. Love the sounds. Ouch, that literally hurts. We used about half of the bag. That's a lot of unicorn for one slime. Ow! Confetti is always fun, but dang, it always hurts. I love the crunches, but I don't like how it feels. Next up is Slushy Beads. I've actually never done one of these where I add way too many Slushy Beads. I'm gonna go ahead and color this slime so that it has a little bit of color and it's not just like clear with the beads. Let's go in with this. How much food coloring can one slime hold? I'm just kidding. Okay, oop, oop, oop. How do I mix this in without getting my nails? Okay. I don't wanna get my nails. Oh my God, it got on the bowl. I hate when this happens. Oh my gosh. When it just goes everywhere and you just have no control of the food coloring. Look how vibrant this is. I love a vibrant red slime because it reminds me of Jello. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Let's start off with this right here. This is a good amount of slushy beads. Look at that crunchy goodness. Nothing better than slushy slime. I don't know, this is soaking it up like nothing. Slime could eat. I could eat. Whoa, I thought this was gonna be way too much slushy beads for this. I just added almost 3 pounds of slushy beads and it looks like it could still use more. Let's add 8 more ounces and go from there. Ooh. Love my nails, but whenever I'm playing with slime, I'm like, why are my nails so long? Why? Oh my god, this is a lot. Oh, I am obsessed. You know what? We're gonna push the limit. We're gonna add 8 more ounces. I know we could do it. I know we could do it. Oh my god, oh my god, okay. I hope I didn't mess this up because now I'm realizing, ooh, that is not holding it. It's just like popping out like crazy. It's just going everywhere. I got too excited. This is definitely the limit. I mean, it's been the limit, but I just decided to add more. I have to stretch it slowly. You hear that? My gosh, this is crazy. Well, what do you know? We got a 32 ounce, a 12 ounce, and a 6 ounce. And it all started with just this, 50 ounces. We went from 12 to 50 ounces. Crunchy the house, girl. Crunchy the house. Can I just say that I'm really trying to update this background because this background is so boring and I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but like this is not it. This is not it. It hasn't been it. It hasn't been it for years, girl. Next up, we got charms, but we don't need those today. Honeycomb sponges. I have not tried honeycomb sponges. I am way too excited about this. The honeycomb sponge is typically used in what I've seen in like literally like honeycomb slimes. We need to cut these up. Oh my gosh, look how cool these look. So this is a honeycomb sponge and you cut it up and it looks like little honeycomb cubes. Look at all those chickens. Look at all these honeycombs. I didn't want to just add it into clear slime, so I made a nice yellow honey looking slime. 1 honeycomb, 2 honeycomb, 3 honeycomb, 4 honeycomb, 5 honeycomb, 6 honeycomb, 7 honeycomb, 8 honeycomb, 9 honeycomb, 10 honeycomb. First of all, how pretty. How pretty. Okay. Oh my gosh. So squishy. This is 32 ounces, by the way. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Whoa, it's crazy because it actually took way less than I thought. I'm literally gonna count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There is a good 40 honeycomb sponges in here. I'm getting like the fruit cup vibes and I'm also getting the honeycomb vibe. Yeah. I can't believe I never felt honeycomb sponges. Jelly cubes, I feel like you have to let them sit to really absorb. These, it's almost like they're absorbed immediately. But I will say that it absorbs slime so fast. Like I could barely even stretch this. And I think that's why you don't need so many of them, because it just absorbs it. Like, look how pretty they look though. Next up, Marshmallow Beats is something I have not used in these videos. Marshmallow Beads are basically like jumbo beads. They're airy, so when you play with them in slime, they kind of crumble. Oof, I don't think it's gonna hold all this. Let's go ahead and just plop this right in. It just went straight to the bottom. Oh my god. It's eating it. Whew! That does not sound good. It could definitely hold up way more, so let's see. I didn't think it was gonna sound like that. I am so sorry. Super bubbly. Like, I don't even know if crunchy is the word. I feel like it's bubbly. Do you think you could do more? I don't know if I should ruin this. I feel like I'm gonna ruin it. The crunch is insane. Is it in my hair? I think it just flew to my hair.
I'm scared. I think you're good.
Something flew at me. And it's so light, like, we added quite a bit. I think that's it, guys. I think that's pushing the limit for this one. This is as much as I could add. Next up, we got charms. I have never used charms, surprisingly, for this. So I got these food charms that are really cute. This is like a little burger. This is an ice cream, a hot dog, French fries. These mix in so nicely. I thought that they would be a little bit weird to mix in, but they feel good. Ooh, these little burgers are everything, everything. Ooh, that is the limit right there. That's the limit for sure. Ooh, girl. Oh my god, I don't even know how to like squish it. Whew, you know, I've never mixed charms into clear slime and I see why now. I don't know, girl. Not a big fan of this one. Last but not least, let's bring out some clay balls. I love mixing clay into slime, and what I love about the clay mixing is that you can mix endless amounts. Not only that, but you can make different shapes, and that's why I love mixing clay into slime. Let's bring out some clay. Okay, we got some clay, and let me tell you, we literally rolled these up and it took hours. We got purple, we got green, pink, orange, we got like an egg yellow, red, and we got blue. I've seen these a lot on Instagram, especially Dr. J's Slime Shop, so shout out to Dr. J's. He does these things where he puts a bunch of clay balls together and they look so satisfying. I've seen this in general a lot on Instagram. Oh my god, they feel like just giant marshmallow balls. Okay. Yellow. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Orange. Oh my god, you guys, I like don't want to mess this up. Pink, voila. Oh my god, is this even out? I'm not even sure. Do you just do this? Yeah, how to settle?
Yeah.
My cube is flattening out. Okay, honestly, I thought that it would look more satisfying. You guys, it's getting so flat. I guess my balls were really big or something and everything's just flattening out. As soon as I started stacking it, it just kind of started like turning into a pancake. She looks like a hot mess. Why does it look so ugly compared to Instagram? Ooh. I don't even know what to do with this. Like, how the heck do you guys mix these? Like, it's hard to mix because it's mostly just clay. And also these nails, girl, like, ooh. I keep mixing and it does not completely blend. It just low-key looks like a rainbow. It's so weird. Even with like 99% clay, it's still super stretchy. Oh gosh. This was a lot. This was way too much. And that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to click that like button. Comment down below. You know what? I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.